In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice in Hubstaff. Whether you're new to Hubstaff or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process quickly and efficiently, ensuring that your invoices are always up to date and accurate. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your Hubstaff account. Once logged in, go to the financials section of your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all of your invoicing needs. You'll notice a few different sections here, but for today, we're focusing on invoices. Now, look for and click on the keyboard arrow left icon. This might also simply be labeled as the back button on some versions, depending on your device. Clicking this will take you to a list of all your clients' invoices where you can perform various actions. Next, identify the specific invoice you want to edit. Beside each invoice entry, there's an action button. Click on this action button to reveal a menu of options you can perform, which includes editing the document. Select the invoice you wish to modify by clicking directly on its entry. Be sure you're selecting the correct invoice by double-checking the client name or invoice number to avoid any mistakes. Once you open the invoice, you should then see an option labeled Edit Invoice. Click on Edit Invoice to start making your changes. This will open up the invoice in an editable format, allowing you to adjust details as necessary. This may include modifying the description of services, adjusting quantities, changing dates, or editing any costs associated with the invoice. Confirm all these details carefully to ensure everything reflects your current intentions and agreements with the client. When you're done with your edits, make sure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Submit button, ensuring that all your edits are captured correctly and that the invoice is updated within the system. It's always a good practice to review the entire invoice from top to bottom after saving, just to confirm every detail is accurately captured. And there you have it. By following these steps, editing an invoice in Hubstaff is a straightforward task. Keep in mind that maintaining accurate and current invoices not only aids in financial tracking and planning, but also enhances your professionalism with clients. It ensures transparency and establishes trust, which is critical for a sustainable professional relationship. Thank you for watching this tutorial on editing invoices in Hubstaff. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions